Okay, mga kabahaw, what's good, what's good, what's good, what's good? So, magsasagot tayo ng differential equations um, from Engineering Mathematics Volume 2 by D.I.T. Gilisanya or uh, by Diego Inocencio Tapang Gilisanya. Okay, so let us try solving this differential equation. Okay. So, obtain the particular solution of dr over dt is equals to negative 4rt when t is equals to 0 and r natin is r sub o. So, given tayo ng mga given tayo ng mga answers dito which is a r is equals to 2 ro e raised to negative 2t squared. So, ito yung mga choices natin. So, let's try. Kung mapapansin natin, okay, re-rate muna natin yung problema. Tapos, let's try to evaluate it. So, dr over dt is equals to negative 4rt. Kung mapapansin nyo, differential equation talaga siya. Alright? Kasi yun yung sinasagutan natin eh. Pero, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede natin siyang gamitin, o pwede natin gamitan to ng separation of variables or variable separable. Multiply natin both sides by dt. Alright? And then, magka-cancel yung dt natin dito sa kabila. Then, we'll have dr is equals to negative 4 rt dt. Now, ang pwede natin gawin dyan is pwede nating i-divide both sides by r yung mismong equation natin. Okay? So, cancel. Yun lang. So, matitira dito sa atin, sa kabila is dr over r is equals to negative 4t dt. So, let's integrate. Let us integrate both sides. So, integration nito or yung formula nito or integral ng dr over r natin is ln r. Let's say ln r equals to negative 4 is nasa labas since constant siya, and let's use power rule for integrals with this one. So note na ang integral ng x raised to n dx is equals to x raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, knowing that n cannot be equal to negative 1. So, power rule na lang to. T raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. Dagdagan na natin ng plus c, okay? So, ano na natin? I-simplify na natin. ln r is equals to negative 4 times 1/2 t squared plus c. Pwede natin i-cancel yung ano natin dito, yung t, ay yung negative 4 para maging 2, negative 2, okay? So, bale, ln r is equals to negative 2t squared plus c. Pero, sabi nga natin, pag may ln ka dito, tas wala masyadong ln dito, kailangan natin siyang i-exponentiate. Para makuha natin yung mismong final answer, mismong sagot natin sa problem. Okay, erase natin sila both sides by e. Tas ito rin. Lahat ng terms, as in lahat ng terms, kailangan natin erase sa e. Or i-erase natin, ito, mawawala yung magiging 1. So, ito is magiging ano lang to sa right, ay sa left side, the left hand. R na lang yan. Is equals to e raised to negative 2t squared e raised to c. Ito, magiging ano lang to, magiging c na lang to. C. Ayan. So, bale, r is equals to c e raised to negative 2t squared. Now, given tayo ng mga conditions na pag yung t daw natin is 0 and yung r daw natin is r sub o. So, i-change na natin. So, when t is equals to 0, r natin is r sub o. Okay. So, ano na, palitan na lang natin. So, R sub O is equals to C e raised to negative 2, 0 raised to 2. Ito, magiging, ito, 2 times 0, or negative 2 times 0 will give us 0. And 0 raised to squared, 0 pa rin siya. And matitira lang sa atin is, ito siya RO is equals to C e raised to 0 squared. Ito, 0 pa rin yan. And kahit na ito, okay, pag naka-raise siya sa 0, magiging 1 na lang yan. Kasi lahat ng numbers or lahat ng values or variables, basta naka-raise siya sa 1, ay naka-raise siya sa 0, magiging 1 na lang siya. Okay. So, RO natin is equals to C. C times 1. Or, C natin is equals to RO. Or R sub O. So, therefore, ang magiging sagot natin is R is equals to RO E raised to negative 2T squared. So, alin siya dito? Alin siya dito sa mga choices? Ito siya. Wait lang. Ito siya. Letter D. Letter D. Ayan.